So throughout the course, we've talked a lot about creating packages, some of the nuances of connection managers, containers, all that stuff. So now you've got this nice package created and built, and you've tested it and everything's working. Now how do we get it out to the people who need to use it? Keep in mind here that the structure, the architecture is very purposeful and very focused and intended, and that is that SSIS packages are developed in total isolation from production environments. We can connect to those data sources if we need to test, but we don't have to use those data sources. We can use offline data sources, copies, staging tables. But the idea is that we create our packages in a way that our development activities don't interfere with business processes. And then once we're done and completed, we need to then move this into a production environment. Production environments have a lot stricter security and performance requirements, and so we simply can't be playing in that world. So we're going to develop it separately and then take a complete separate step, a whole nother complete set of technologies to move our completed package into a development environment, and the term for that is deployment. So once we complete a package, it must be deployed into a production environment, and what that really means is moved over into SQL Server. Now, deployment functionality is provided by SSIS. It's built right into the tool, and once we've got to the point where we're satisfied and we're ready to go with it, then all we have to do is simply go through the deployment process to move that to the production server. Now, understand this, and if you're an old SSIS person and you've been building these packages, you need to go out and read about this and pay close attention to what I'm going to show you here. SQL Server 2012 makes significant changes in how packages are managed and deployed in SSIS from this point on. And what's happening here is it's introducing the SSIS server and the SSIS DB catalog. And so there's a couple of steps here. We're first going to have to install the catalog and then deploy to it. And I'll show you that in a separate video entitled Creating the SSIDB Catalog.